12 in the morning on Tuesday, and I finally got the wreath for my other sister finished, and I think it came out darling. It's a lot more whimsical than the other one that I made for my other sister because this sister, excuse me, has children, and so I think it was just, I wanted to make it a little bit funner for them. And so I've completed that. I think it turned out really cute. My name is Martha. Thank you for joining me today. I want to thank all the people who subscribed to my channel from my last video. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope that you continue to enjoy my videos, and I want to thank all my subscribers, of course. I really do appreciate your support of my channel, and I'm excited to continue to make videos. I really have a lot of fun making crafts, and of course sharing the crafts with you. I just love it when some of you tell me that, oh, that you're gonna make it, that you went and you bought the things you need to make the crafts. I just think it's a lot of fun, and so I really enjoy sharing these crafts that I make with you guys. I have more videos coming up on some fall decorating that I'm going to be doing. I do a lot of my decorating with Dollar Tree items, you guys. You know, I craft them up or I use them as they are because a lot of them are really nice. I hope that you'll stay tuned for those as well, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you're all doing well, and again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for subscribing and for watching my videos. I hope that I continue to make videos that you enjoy and that you continue to support me. So let's go see how this super cute wreath turned out that I hope my sister will love, and I have them both ready to give to them. So I hope that you'll join me today as I show you how I made this wreath for my sister. Thank you again, you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah. Take good care. Bye. Here's what I used to make this wreath: some craft sticks, some Jenga blocks, some paint, and some rope, some twine, a piece of wood. All this is from Dollar Tree. I got these super cute little wall decors. I'm gonna use those as well. 3 of them, they're adorable. I'm also going to use some ribbon. Don't know which of these I will use, but definitely some ribbon, these cute little pumpkins. And look at these beautiful large fall leaves. I ended up just using 2 colors of those, and the wheel wreath form, some hot glue, and some clippers. Let's start. I just ended up using the green and the natural color of these beautiful large burlap fall leaves. I'm going to start out by using some Mod Podge and adding some glitter to that and mixing it up well, and I'm going to brush it on all of those large fall leaves. When it dries, you will only see the glitter on the leaves. I chose to use the natural and the green because the red and the orange were too much because of the center decor that I'm using. It's very colorful and I didn't want it to clash. Next, I'm going to cut the little wire off the bottom of these pumpkins, and I'm going to paint them with this very pale peach color. Okay, so after I finish painting the pumpkins, I'm going to set them aside so they can dry, and I'm going to start adding the craft sticks to each of the spokes of the bicycle wheel wreath form. After I've glued them all around, I'm going to turn the bicycle wreath form around and add hot glue to the back of each of the craft sticks. Next, I decided to add a little bit of glitter to the pumpkins and remove the hooks off of the little cute little gnomes that I'm using for the center of the wreath. Aren't they adorable? I just love those little guys. Anyway, so let's continue by hot gluing the rope all around the border of the wreath. I always like to have rope on the edges of the wreath because sometimes a little bit of the border will peek through and I want it to look nice. After I hot glue the rope, I'm going to cut this. There's a little wire on each of the fall leaves. I'm going to trim that off a little bit, and I'm gonna hot glue one of the leaves to each of the craft sticks. I am going to let it overlap over the edge of the wreath because I wanted to give the wreath a little bit of a larger look. Those leaves are really beautiful, you guys. I hope you could still find them at your own Dollar Tree. There's so much that you can do with them. And now I'm gonna add hot glue to the center part of the craft sticks and the center of the wreath form and place the square wood piece in the center and hold it down until it dries. Again, I'm gonna turn the wreath over and add hot glue to the back of the square wood piece. Now it's time to add these cute little guys. I'm gonna add some Jenga blocks to the side because these little guys are gonna overlap over the square piece of wood. So I'm going to use the Jenga blocks to help me place the decor in the center where I want it. So let's start by adding some hot glue and one by one adding the little gnomes, which I wanted to say welcome fall. So I'm adding the one that says welcome first, and then the other one on the other side of that one, the one that says fall. Hold these down until they're completely dry. I'm going to use this beautiful burlap orange ribbon with the border to make a bow. As I've told you guys many times, I am not that good at making bows, but I certainly do try. And I'm going to use some of this twine to wrap it around a few times around the bow and make a knot on the back of it. I always like to use a lighter whenever I cut any material to seal off the edge that I cut so that the material does not fray. I'm also going to add a piece of a craft stick before I hot glue the other part of the bow because it just sticks better to wood than it would to the burlap itself. So I also hot glued one of those cute little pumpkins right to the center of the bow. I took some of those smaller fall leaves that I used in my last wreath and I brushed some glitter on them, and I'm going to hot glue them all around the wreath close to the center decor. Last thing I'm going to do is hot glue those cute little pumpkins all around, and let's go see how this turned out. Here it is, you guys. What do you think? I think those little guys are so cute. They're so happy. Welcome fall. They're so colorful. I also love the way that the glitter just makes the whole wreath so happy. It makes it come to life. This is a beautiful material for this ribbon, and I don't think that the bow came out so bad. Give me your opinion on that. Anyway, I really am excited to give this wreath to my sister and her family. I think the girls are gonna love it, and it was so much fun making it. I hope it inspires you to go out and buy some things so you can make your own beautiful wreath. Thank you so much for joining me today. As always, I hope that you will join me for my upcoming videos and that you enjoy them. I will see you soon. You guys take care. Bye.